Hi friends, this is MPG Spiritual. I'm Jayashree Balan, back again. Okay, now today I am going to talk in English because all my North Indian friends are asking me to speak in English so that they can also learn astrology. So my Tamil friends, kindly excuse me. My English is simple only, so you guys also can learn astrology. I am trying to my level best to explain you all the things very in the easy manner. So last time in the lesson number 4 I told about I explained about the friendly and enemy planet and then its ownership, everything and all about the zodiacs and Aries. Today I am going to talk about the Taurus. Who are the friendly planet, who are the enemy, who are the exalted, yeah, all these things and all. So for the Taurus, Venus own house is Taurus, and Saturn, Mercury and Jupiter is the friendly planet. Sun is the enemy planet. Moon exalted over here, and Rahu and Ketu debilited over here. Now the next thing is I am going to explain about the elements of the zodiac sign. So there is a 4 elements. Yeah, what is this? Fire, air, and water sign. So according to the planet is also the same way. The planet's behavior will be the same way. It will be fire. If any planet is sitting in the fire sign, they will be little bit get angry, and then if it is in the water sign, their emotion will be like watery, and then how their behavior will be according to the element. That behavior will be in the same way. So I am going to explain for the Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius is a fire sign, and Earth sign is Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Air sign is Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Water sign is Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So, what now I am going to explain about the main planet, first planet who is near to our Earth. So, because of that only see every country, whoever is not believing about the horoscope, I want to explain one thing, because see the first day is start with Sunday. Why Sunday? First day start with Sunday because that day sun will be closest to the earth. So it accepted by the every country in the world. So everything you see, we are telling that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like that. And then if another country also can say that no, I am not agreeing with your prediction, I will take Sunday, Friday, like that. They are not saying, because every nation has accepted the zodiac sign, the way how it is lined up. So the first planet is very main planet is sun. Without sun, the solar energy is not there. We are not living over here. There is no plant. There is no water. There is no earth. There won't be a human being. Nothing. There won't be animals. Nothing. So because of sun only, everything is there. So now I am going to explain about the first. We have to learn about the nature of the planet. So if we learn about the nature of the planet, then only if the conjunction comes, the aspect comes, we can predict how the planet's behavior will be there. The one planet to another planet conjunct with that. So the Saturn's behavior is this type, Sun behavior will be this type. Then how that will give a result to us. So first we have to understand the planet. Without understanding the planet, we cannot predict the horoscope. So first I am going to give a planet behavior and what are the main thing about the planets we have to understand, so that we can predict very easily. So now the first planet, sun, is going to come into place. So see, sun is our soul, sun is our father, sun is the government, sun is the politics, sun is everything. Okay, and then Sun own house is Leo, and then Sun's Mula Trikona Sthanam is also Leo, and Sun's is exalted 10 degree at Aries, debilitated 10 degrees at Libra, and Sun's biggest enemy is his own Sun, S-O-N, Sun. Saturn is his own enemy, and Sun represents left eye, Sun represents bone, Sun represents stomach, because see, from Aries it is 5th place, 5th house is represent stomach. Each and every planet left our represent our organs. According to that, the placement, we can understand where our body will get a problem, because if the debilitated and malefic planet, exalted planet, according to that we can understand where the native will face a problem in the to the health problem, where they will be, face a health issues. So the 5th house is stomach. See, if it is well placed, we can the person will be very ego, and then he will be very straightforward, he will be very short, and then his father's longevity is very high, and then his stone is ruby, and then his white cell. See, I told for the in the blood, red cell is Mars, white cell is Sun, and then their face will be, they will be if Sun is well placed, they will be very ego, they are very strong enough, they will be very faithful, and then very straightforward they will be, if it is well placed. Otherwise, if the debilitated planet means their longevity will be very less, and then they will be very egoist, they will be very cunning person, like that. And then what else I have to say is, gemstone is ruby, bone, I told bone is the significator of the planet, and then it's fire sign, and then what else is left out? Let me think over it. I told about the all this thing. So guys, this is my analyze. So this is what I know about the planet Sun. So I think you guys can understand my English, and then if you like, you can you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel. Thanks and regards.